Okay, hello everyone. Today's video is lesson 7 for English course for beginners. And I want just to give you a brief introduction. Point 1, don't watch videos to learn English from Arabic speaker or someone teaches you English in Arabic, saying la blah blah in Arabic with some words in English. This is a fatal mistake. Fatal mistake. F-A-T-A-L. Fatal mistakes means biggest mistakes. English should be taught in English. Arabic language should be taught in Arabic. This is what to do. Now, today's video is about some important issues, some points. You have to take care when you speak, when you write, when you listen to someone. What does it mean, each one? Because it's talking about abbreviations, short form. Short forms means abbreviations. Let's see now. I'm gonna talk about the abbreviation short form. Short form. If I say, for example, she apostrophe S, then I said got, or she apostrophe S, then I said going. So what does it mean, each one? Is there a difference between both? Yes. So I have to focus on apostrophe S here. What does it mean, apostrophe S? It means one of two. It means is, I-S, or it means has. Good. So which one I know now? So here, she's got. Is it is or has? So what's after is telling you what does it mean. What's after has is telling you what does it mean. So if you have after is apostrophe s, means if you have a noun, if you have adjective, if you have a verb in this ing, present participle, I mean playing, going, speaking, reading, it means is. So for example here, she's going, she's reading, she's speaking, she's Alia, she's perfect. So adjective, perfect, she is, because I have adjective. A noun, a name, she's Alia, a name. She's going to, a verb ing. So if I have a noun or adjective or verb ing after is or after apostrophe s, means is, she is. Good. If I have apostrophe s and followed by past participle, the third form of any verb, so it means has. And I mean in this tense, present perfect. She's got means she has got. She's played means she has played. She's written means she has written. And so on. So this is point 1. Thank you. What is point 2 of today? Point 2 of today is about the opposites. So what you have to know is about the verbs, the adjectives, the nouns, that they have some opposites, different words but with the other direction. Okay, I will show you now. If I say push, push is a verb, means you use your hands and you push the things in front of you to the forward. Push. This is the verb. To the forward. So what is the opposite of push? It is pull. Pull. So push, pull. The mall. When you enter the mall, you see, for example, push. Push the door to get in. Or pull to the back side. Pull the door to the back side, for example. Or to the things you pull means to go back. You push to go forward, to move on. So push, pull. Push, pull. What else you have to know? I have to know something called pick and something called put. How? If you say pick up or put down, they are opposites. How you know that? Look, pick up, pick up, pick up. Take something from the ground to up. Pick up. Okay, put down, put down. Okay, put down. So put the glasses down. Put the hard disk down. Pick the hard disk up. Pick the glasses up. So pick up, put down. Again, pick something up, put something down. They are opposites. What else we have here? We have something important for some students. I'm sorry to say they have some mistakes, common mistakes here in this one. Just listen to me when I just write to you what is it. Okay, if I say turn, and if I say open, if I say turn on, is it the same as open? Yes, the same meaning, but not the same structure or usage. How? You say turn on to any devices, to the electricity. So when you enter the room, you say turn the light on. Turn the light on. But you cannot say turn the door on. That's wrong. You say open the door. So for the door you say open with the same meaning. But for the electricity, for example, devices, turn the TV on. Turn the movie on. Turn the AC on. Turn the light on. But open the door. So it's a common mistake. It's a wrong if you say turn the door on. What is the opposite of turn on? Turn off. Turn the TV off means close. Okay, turn the AC off. Turn the light off. But for the door, you say close. Not close, no. Close with the sound Z. Close the door. Close the door. Open the door. Turn on the light. Turn off the light. Turn on the TV. Turn off the TV. Turn on the AC. Turn off the AC. But open the door. Don't say open the AC. That's wrong. Close the AC. That's wrong. Turn it off. You can say that. But for the door, close the door. Open the door. I hope you understand all of these issues and points in English. Thank you for it's lesson number 7, and in brief I told you again and again and again, it's advice from an expert one. Please don't watch YouTubers or YouTubes or videos teaching you English in Arabic. Please, English should be taught in English. Arabic should be taught in Arabic. Thanks, and see you in the next video, a short one in lesson 8 for English course for beginners. Thanks a lot. Bye.